ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I really hate fire alarms that are Muti-Candela, Muti-Pattern, Muti-Tone, and Muti-Volume. The reason why I hate these alarms is because it is easy for people to mess around with them. Especially kids. Not good. I like fire alarms with a sealed candela, a sealed volume, a sealed pattern, and a sealed tone. Better than fire alarms that have multi-everything. Because fire alarms with sealed candela, volume, pattern, and tone settings are harder for people like kids to mess around with, which I like. These multi-tone, multi-candela, multi-pattern, and multi-volume alarms are asking for trouble because it is easy for people to mess around with them. What fire alarm companies should do is go back to the alarms that were sealed, everything, candela, tone, volume, and pattern, so it is harder for people like kids to mess around with them. EST, Edwards, Wheel Lock, System Sensor, Gentex, Siemens, and Simplex, all of these fire alarm manufacturers really need to go back to alarms that were harder for people to mess with, including kids. Fire alarm tampering is a big deal. And with multi-setting alarms, it is easy for people to mess with them. Not good. Bye.